Reducing CO2 emissions and saving power are major global issues. Without exaggeration, one could call them inseparable too, and the most urgent issues for commercial facilities and products that consume a lot of electricity. Nidec boldly tackles these issues.
Commercial and business-related applications are not only required to be reliable, safe, and durable, but they must also reduce CO2 emissions, save energy, and work efficiently. Nidec produces motors, compressors, controllers, as well as many other products, while offering customized solutions that meet customer needs. All of these products are power-saving and energy efficient, meeting or exceeding industry efficiency standards.
These highly sophisticated technologies have earned us a high level of trust and a proven track record in people's lives.
Developed with sophisticated technology, Nidec's commercial and business-related products are used in various automatic devices that support daily life, such as doors, air conditioning systems, and elevators of supermarkets and large shopping malls. Similarly, Nidec also offers various solutions for commercial refrigerators and kitchen equipment, such as for restaurants. Many Nidec products are used in the kitchen equipment of major fast food restaurants.
Nidec stays committed to being close to people's lives and creating a future that nurtures a prosperous life. Nidec continues to support you to make a better life.